Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to go ahead and start off with looking at my natural brows, which are horrendous. I love brow pencils. This is the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Latte. I've been using it and enjoying it. In my opinion, it's definitely a natural kind of brow look, but I do want to mention that it retails for $5. There are 7 different shades, but this is Latte in particular. So this is how I do my brows. I line the bottom first, then the top, then I fill it in, and after lining the top and bottom, I just kind of use a spoolie, and I honestly believe that spoolies are very, very important to use if you're going in on your brows, but I'm using feather-like strokes or hair-like strokes for the tutorial, and I'm also using or building it up. And I just want to mention that you have to take your time in doing your brows or it won't come out how you would like them to. I've done my brows a million times now, and in my opinion, just take your time and go with whatever shape that you like, and definitely less is more at a time. So here is my brow all filled in. On camera it's a little warmer, but in pictures and far away it definitely has a natural look with my whole entire face. So now I'm cleaning it up, and it is easily works with concealers and everything, so I definitely would suggest this. It retails for $5, which is amazing, and they do have other brow products, but this is amazing, and it comes with a spoolie. It's $5. There's 7 different shades, and I am pretty obsessed with this natural look. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. And I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my playlist for other quick makeup tutorials or reviews. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.